how to add background in Canva. So if you want to add background in your Canva, then first make sure that you have your internet connection. After that, you just need to simply go with canva.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, now you can just simply go with a blank document. So I'll just simply go with a whiteboard or a blank design. Now, once you're on your project, you just need to simply go with the position section, and here you will have your background color. So you need to click on the background color, and from here you can select any background color that you're comfortable with, and you can also add some dramatic colors, and this is one way of adding your backgrounds. Or if you want some images as your backgrounds, then what you need to do is go back to your home page. Once you're here you need to go with templates, and under templates you'll have photos, so click on photos and then go with search. Under search, you need to search for background. So I'll just simply go with beach background. Now, once you have the image, go and select the image which doesn't require pro version, or if you already have a pro version, then you can just go with the pro image also. Now, click on use in a design. You can go and select any options, or in my case, I'll just simply go with a desktop wallpaper. And after that, you'll have this kind of interface. So you can just simply go and adjust it, and that's it. That's how you'll have a background. Now you can go with text, add some text on top of it, and proceed with your following steps. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.